Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Sony XM4 and removing any ear tips. This prevents damage and lets you reach crevices. Next, place the headphones on a clean surface and collect a soft cloth, cotton swabs, a toothpick, and 70% isopropyl alcohol. Those tools remove oils without harming coatings. Once ready, gently detach foam or silicone ear tips. Make sure to keep tiny parts together. This immediate setup saves time and reduces the risk of pushing dirt further into grills. Now you tackle the speakers and cushions. Begin with a dry, soft brush across the grills to sweep loose dust. This protects the mesh. Once loose particles are cleared, lightly dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl and wipe the ear cushion seams and headband. This removes oils and kills microbes. For stubborn debris, use a toothpick at a shallow angle to nudge dirt out. Be careful to avoid puncturing fabric. After that, wipe again with a dry cloth to remove residue and speed drying. Finish by letting everything dry for 10 to 15 minutes so alcohol evaporates fully. You do not want moisture inside electronics. Reattach the ear tips and power on the headphones, then play audio at low volume and toggle ANC to confirm normal operation. If you notice static, dropouts, or poor ANC, make sure charging contacts and ports are free of grime and perform a factory reset if issues persist. This clears software glitches. Finally, store the XM4 in its case to keep them clean longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.